Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. In previous class I recalled up to 3-digit numbers. So in third standard we are going to learn 4-digit numbers. See, I told you to represent ones this small square box, and then tens this one, and then for hundreds this big square box, like that. See, this is for ones, and then this one for tens, and then this one for thousands, sorry, hundreds. And then to represent thousands we are going to use this cube. We are going to use this cube for thousands. So in previous class I told you 10 ones equal to 110. Then 10 tens equal to 100. Similarly, 10 hundreds make 1000. 10 hundreds make 1000. So 10 ones make 110, 10 tens make 100, 10 hundreds make 1000. So to represent thousands we are using that cube for thousands. So see, this is equal to 1000. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Already I told you 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. See, this one equal to here how many cube boxes are there? 2 boxes are there. So what is this? It's equal to 2000. Similarly, 3 cubes are there means 3 cubes are there means what is that? 3000. So I told you this one to represent 1000 we are using this cube. So this is equal to here how many cube boxes are there? 3. So 3000. So like that we can use this cube for other numbers too. So now we are going to start exercise 1. In exercise 1, fill in the blanks on the table. See, already I told you this cube equal to represent 1000 we are using this cube, to represent 100 this square box, and then to represent tens this rectangle box, then the small square box represent ones. See here how many cube boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cube boxes are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many thousands are here? So 4 thousands. Next, here how many hundreds? This box equal to hundreds. To represent hundreds we are using this boxes. Okay. So how many hundreds? 1, 2. How many hundreds? 2. Next, how many tens? 1, 2, 3. How many tens? 3. Then how many ones? Only 1. So what is the number we have formed? 4231. 4231. Next, see, we are going to write the number in the place value chart. Then we are going to write the number name. Then we are going to write it in the abacus. See, what is the number we have formed? 4231. So in ones place 1, then tens place 3, then hundreds place 2, then thousands place 4. So we are going to write the number name. What is the number name? 4231. 4231. 4231. See, already you have learnt ones, tens, hundreds, 3 place values. So now we are going to learn one more place value, that is thousands. See here, how many ones are there? Only 1. So you write only 1 beads. Then tens. In tens place what is there? 3. So you draw 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 2. So you write 2 beads. 1, 2. Next, how many thousands are there? 4. So you write 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to write the number as well as number name. Then you are going to use that numbers in the abacus. We are going to show the numbers in the abacus. Next one, here I told you already, this cube box equal to 1000. So here how many boxes are there? Only 1. So how many thousands? Only 1. Then here this one equal to hundreds. This one represent hundreds. I told you already. So how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. So you write 3 hundreds. Next, see here tens. Whether here tens are there? No tens. So what you have to write? 0. We have to write 0 for tens because here no tens. So then ones, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3. So write 3. So what's the number form? 1000, 1000, 300 and 303. 1303. So we are going to write the place values. See, in ones place what is there? 3. Next tens place 0. Next hundreds place 3. Next thousands place 1. 1303. So number name 1000. 1000, 300 and 303. 1303. So we are going to write this in abacus. See how many ones are there? 3. So in ones place we have to draw 3 beads. How many beads? 3. In ones place 3 is there. So we have to draw in ones place 3 beads. Next tens place 0 is there. So here you don't draw anything, okay, because here 0. Next hundreds place 3 is there. So in hundreds place how many beads? Again 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next thousands place only 1. So you draw only 1 beads. Next, write the number names. We are going to write the number names. See 3711. Here what is the place value of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 3711. So if you know the place value, you can write the number names. So what's the number name for this? 3711. 3000. 3711. Next, the Nile River in Egypt is the longest river in the world. It is 6,650 km long. Write its length as a number name. So we are going to write this length in number name. So what is the place value of 0, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands? So what is the place value of 6? 6,000. This what is the place value of this 6? Hundreds. So 6,650. So we are going to write the number name 6,650. Next, we are going to write the numbers. They have given the number name we are going to write the numbers, that is numerals we are going to write. 9071. 9071. See here ones place they have given and then tens place they have given and then thousands they have given, but they didn't give 100. Okay, so 71. 1 in ones place 1, 70. So tens place 7. Then hundreds place they didn't give. So what you have tried? 0. Then thousands place 9. So what's the number? 9071. Next, the leopard population. The leopard population in India in the year 2015 was 7701. Write this as a number. 7701. So ones place they have given 1, but tens place they didn't give any number. So you write 0. Then hundreds place 7. Then 7000. So 7701. Tens place they didn't give any number. So you have to write 0. Then 100 place 700. 7000. So in thousand place you write 7. Next, write the number shown on each abacus. See, we are going to write the number. See, look at the abacus and then count the beads according to their place value. Then you can write the numbers. See, here they are given ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here you count first in ones place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many beads are there? 7. Next in tens place they didn't give any beads, so write 0. Next hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write 4. Next in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the number you got? 6407. 6407. Next one, see in ones place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads are there? 5. So you write 5. Next, how many beads in tens place? 1, 2, 3. Next, hundreds place they didn't give any beads, so you write 0. There is no beads. Next in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the number form? 8035. 8035. Next one in ones place they didn't give any beads, so you write 0. Next in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write 5. Next in hundreds place they didn't give any beads, so you write 0. Next thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the number you got? 4050. So next one, show the number on the abacus. Show the number on the abacus. We are going to show the number on the abacus. See here they are given 5430. 5430. So here ones place, what is there? 0. So here how many beads we have to draw? Here 0. So don't draw any beads. Next in tens place, how many numbers there? 3. So here in tens place, how many beads we have to draw? 1, 2, 3. Then in a hundreds place, what is the number? 4. How many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. So here how many beads we have to draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next in thousands place 5. So how many beads we have to draw? 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one same like that. 2000 they have given. So 1000, 100, tens, ones. So in ones place what you have to draw? Here 0. So you don't draw any beads. Next tens place also 0. So you don't draw any beads. Next hundreds place 0. So you don't do anything. Okay. Next, in thousands place, what's the number? 2. So how many beads we have to draw? 2. How many beads? 2. 1, 2. So what is this? 2000, because here only thousands place only 2 beads are there. Here hundreds place no. Here tens place also no beads. Then ones place also no beads. So what's the number? 2000. Here 5430. Next, fill in the numbers in order. See, according to the order, you have to fill the numbers. Okay, here 9829 they are given. See, you have to write the next number. Okay, successor of the number. That is after number you are going to write. See, here 9 they are given. Here what's the last 2 digit? 29. So after 29 what will come? 30. So 9830. Next number, what's the next number after 30? 31. So 9831. What's the next after number? 9832. Next, what's the next number? 9833. Next number 9834. What's the next number? 9835. Next one 5051. 5051. 4 digits are there. 5051 they are given. So what's the next number? After number. After 51, 52. So 5052. Next number 5053. What is the after number? After 3, 4. So 5054. After 54, 5055. After 55, 5056. After 56, 5057. Next one, 6104 they are given. So what's after 4? 5. 4 after 5. So 6105. Next 6106. Next 6107. Next 6108. Next 6109. Next 6110. So exercise 1 completed. What are all we have seen? Writing the number name and then writing the numerals and then showing the numbers on the abacus, then writing the numbers on the abacus and then fill in the numbers in order. So and then place values, thousand place value we have seen. So let us stop up to this exercise 1. So let us continue the next exercise in the next class. Thank you children.